Now yesterday I caught a gray fox and all I did the remake and just put some bait, put some soul taker back down in the dirt hole, which is what I had in there originally when I caught the other one. Caught it in this is a Duke 1 3/4. And he is not happy. You know, not only are these fox beautiful, but to me they are. These fox can actually climb trees. Alright guys, let me get him taken care of, and I'll do the remake part. Alright guys, here's my remake. All I did was re-drill my hole. Of course there's my trap right there, but I took some more soul taker, put it inside some sheep's wool, and stuck it down in the hole. So not only do they have the soul taker in there, they smell. When they walk up, they'll see the sheep's wool down there. It's a little extra visual for them. So, all right, well, let's go check the rest of the traps. This is not going to be fun. This is one day I hope I don't have anything in my traps, because I do not want to get out of this truck. This is rough, guys. Nothing in the traps today, guys. This one time I'm glad there wasn't anything in the traps. That's why I got them set like on the edge of the fields and stuff, so it's easy to check. That's where the coyotes and bobcat and fox and everything, they all come to the edge of the field to look and get out and try to hunt anyway. So this dead playing rough out here. Alright guys, short video. See you next time.